Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be cleaning my house, and I just decided to go ahead and film this for you guys so maybe you guys can get some motivation. Plus this is going to be like a relaxing nighttime cleaning routine, so I hope you guys do enjoy watching. And I will be cleaning my kitchen, dining area, living room, plus all of my mirrored furniture. So this video is in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube. You guys need to go and show her some love. I'm gonna go ahead and just let her introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Kathleen from the channel Kathleen Elizabeth. On my channel I do cleaning videos, shop with me videos, and hauls. I even do an occasional vlog from time to time. So after watching Maritza's video, I'd love if you'd stop by my channel, say hello, and introduce yourself. Consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I will be doing a nighttime cleaning video as well.
So once you guys are done watching my video, please head over to Kathleen's channel and show her some love. Let her know that you are coming from my channel. You will love her channel as well. She does such an amazing job on her clean with me videos and day in the lives and any fashion video she does. I will have the link to her channel and her video down in the description box below. So as you guys can see, my back door to my patio here is definitely in need of a good cleaning. So I'm first starting with the inside. My son does love to put his little handprints all over it, so I definitely needed to clean the inside. But the outside was just a mess, so I need to definitely wipe this down very good. I'm just so glad that we can just use Windex and it looks like brand new. By the way guys, I'm so sorry about the quality of this video. I'm really not happy with it. I totally forgot to change the settings on my camera for the quality and the color of the video also. So the color that you're gonna see may change from time to time on this video. So right now I'm just cleaning my countertop area here in my kitchen and my kitchen island. But as you guys can see, I actually ran out of my multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyers. So I just threw the bottle away and I'm just using what is left of it. So for tonight, I didn't have any dishes to wash. My drying rack is nice and clean. We did actually wash them right after eating dinner. So now I'm going to start by cleaning all of my stainless steel appliances with my Weiman spray. This is what I'm using at the moment, but I also like to use the Weiman wipes. Those work so good for all of the stainless steel appliances. So how many of you actually use a dishwasher, guys? Let me know in the comment section below, letting me know. I actually have never even used the dishwasher here in this home. I actually never even used it in our previous home as well. So let me know if you guys actually like to use the dishwasher. So for the most part, my dining table doesn't get too messy because my son doesn't eat at the table yet, but I'm sure once he does start eating at the table, it won't look the same. But I do still like to clean it with a hot water and just a towel and just get all of the crumbs, if there is any, you know, down to the floor since I haven't actually swept yet. just wanna love you, just wanna hold you. So today I'm also going to be cleaning my son's high chair. I do like to actually clean every time he's done eating. However, today I just wanted to go ahead and wipe it down with a towel. So now I'm going to start by cleaning all of my mirrors and mirrored furniture, and I'm starting with this mirror that I have here on my dining area, and I'm also going to be cleaning my mirrored furniture. However, I'm not going to be cleaning the mirrors that are on top of my entryway table here or the one on my living room that I have over my buffet, because I honestly can't even reach those. So for those mirrors, most of the time I just have my husband actually help me clean those. So I just want to thank you all so much for all of the love that you guys showed me on my intro video, and I am so happy that most of you do like it and don't think it's too long. Which actually the song that I have playing in this video is the same song that I have playing on my intro. I did want to go ahead and share it with you guys since I can't share the whole song on an intro. I obviously can't make it this long, but this is the song that I am going to be using for my new intro. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. How many of you guys have a lot of mirrored furniture also in your home? Let me know in the comment section down below. You guys are probably aware of how long it takes to clean, you know, all of the mirrors and mirrored furniture, but I honestly don't mind because this is just what I like, and to me it looks so nice and elegant, and it just opens up, you know, like any room in any home. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have a lot of mirrored furniture. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start sweeping. I already actually had swept the hallway part. I don't know what happened to that clip, but I did already sweep that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy watching me sweep. That way you guys also can enjoy the song that I have playing on the background. I just need you. I know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my
change colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what.
So here you can see all of the dirt that I accumulated all throughout the house. Well, it's just for downstairs, but yeah, this is all of the dirt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that away, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start mopping. Also, I just want to thank everybody for recommending me the, I believe it's called Osetter or Osetter mop. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right, but I actually still haven't gotten a chance to get that, but I am going to be buying it soon, so I will be doing a review once I do actually get it, because I definitely need to get that. A lot of you guys said that it saves so much time, and you guys love how it actually mops, so I'm super excited to go ahead and give that a try.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Mopping with this type of mop, guys, it is definitely a workout. It takes so much time to, you know, just dry up the mop and just squirt all of the water out, which I don't mind sometimes because I do feel like I am getting a workout out of mopping. So I kind of have like a love-hate relationship when I am mopping. I honestly dislike mopping. This is like my last favorite thing to do when cleaning my home. However, when I am mopping, I know that this is basically the last step for me to be done cleaning. And after this, I can just go ahead and sit down and relax and enjoy some TV, and my house is all clean.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning, and as always, I just like to give you a little tour of how everything looks. And I just love having a clean home. There is nothing better. There is no better feeling than having a clean house, and especially at night and waking up in the morning knowing everything is nice and clean. But yeah, this is how everything looks. Here is my kitchen, and here is my living room. So I hope you all found this nighttime cleaning video relaxing and motivating. And if you guys are coming from Kathleen's channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys be a part of my family. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. And don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.
Fire.